So this is my 1 year review of the GK61. So I'll go through my experience with this keyboard. Is it still worth it? And why I think this is still a worthwhile keyboard, even after many great keyboards have been made since the release of this keyboard. So this is the GK61. It's a 60% keyboard. I've been using this for about a year now. It is hot swappable, meaning that the switches can be changed around, and you can put any Gateron optical switches into this, which are, as you may know, the fastest keyboard switches currently. So when this keyboard first came out, it was known for the world's fastest keyboard, and that's where it gained its popularity from. Really good keyboard. This one that I have right here is Gateron optical red switches, so it's not too clicky, unlike blue switches, as you may know, or brown switches, and it is actually a really good keyboard for the price, coming in at around $90 currently. So yeah, not a bad keyboard for its price. And it also has a Type-C connector over here, meaning that it would be really fast response time. So I'm just gonna do a sound test between a key that I barely use and a key that I obviously press every single day. Alright, so this is the W key, which I press usually every day. Alright, and this key right over here, this arrow key, I barely press it. Alright, so I'm gonna just go silent for a minute and then I'll just press the keys. Alright, so as you can see or hear, the W key is actually more clicky, alright? And this arrow key isn't that clicky, and it's more smooth in terms of the sound quality. And I personally think that the reason for that is the spring has become loose on the W key, because it's being pressed like every day. And the arrow key, like the lube's still there, it's not like worn out. Spring's still fully functional or not as worn, so maybe that's the reason. But even after years of usage, I was expecting some worse sound quality, because obviously I smacked the W key a lot. But overall, this is the 1 year review of the GK61. But it has been superseded by the Apex Pro TKL and the Apex Pro Mini or Apex Mini keyboard. So it's not the world's fastest keyboard currently, but you can change out the switches. So that's why it's still worthwhile in 2022. And yeah, it's a 60% keyboard and you can use it for productivity, gaming, whatnot. Alright, so this is my GK61 1 year review. Alright, and I'm out. Like and sub.